Hello guys, so how to install older version of Pages app on iPhone. So super easy. What you need to do is just to go to App Store and then go to your account and then go to Purchased. And here you need to make sure that you are logged in with correct your Apple ID with which you downloaded older version of Pages on any of your devices. And then you can just type Pages and then you will see the version, for example, from 2014. And I can just download this version right now. So you can need it, for example, if you have an older version of iOS and you don't want to update your iOS to a newer version and you just want to keep your older version of Pages there. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.